I am James Carey, newly retired Professor Emeritus of Entomology at the University of California, Davis. My 44-year research career focused on the demography of aging and lifespan using insects as models. I also taught courses ranging from small seminars to large lectures with over 300 students. As AI technology emerged, I recognized its transformative potential for student learning and immediately began integrating it into my teaching. This summer, I am launching the course AI-Empowered Learning through UC Davis Continuing Education, designed for pre-college students for accelerated learning. The course will be structured into 4 main sections, beginning with an introduction covering AI concepts, platform domains, prompt engineering, and ethical considerations. In Part 1, AI-Empowered Learning, I introduce what I refer to as the AI Triad, 3 platforms that serve as the foundation of this course: Notebook LM for organization and summarization, Otter AI for lecture transcription, and ChatGPT as a thinking AI for analysis and problem solving. AI study tools will include flashcards, problem sets, concept explanations, mnemonics, practice exams, comparative perspectives, and content integration. I will discuss AI learning strategies and how different subjects, from science and math to social sciences and the humanities, require tailored approaches. Each student will also curate a virtual advisory committee, which I will elaborate on shortly. In Part 2, AI-Empowered Production, students will learn to produce ethically high-quality academic work using AI. This includes writing term papers with AI-assisted tools, creating oral presentations with visuals, and developing explainer videos for clear, engaging communication. Students will also experiment with AI-generated voice cloning and avatar creation to personalize their content. Another key component is the use of OpenAI's new platform, Deep Research, where students will create a prompt to generate 10 to 15-page report on colleges that align with their academic interests and career goals and scholarship opportunities. These projects will serve as the core deliverables for the course. In Part 3, AI-Empowered Life, I explore how AI integrates into everyday tools and applications. This includes Google Workspace tools like Docs, Slides, and Maps, as well as underutilized smartphone apps that enhance productivity. I will cover photography and videography best practices and AI applications in culture, history, natural history, and astronomy. Another critical skill will be AI-powered time management using smart calendars and scheduling tools to optimize college workflow. Beyond these course sections, I will deliver short lectures and lead class discussions on AI's role in areas ranging from health care to leisure. A unique feature of this course is AI Adventure Period, a series of hands-on activities where students experiment with AI in creative ways. Activities will range from AI-assisted food recipe creations to AI-informed blackjack. Each student will also create and learn how to solicit advice from a virtual advisory committee, selecting 5 historical or contemporary figures as AI-powered mentors, such as those shown here. The daily schedule balances structured learning with hands-on exploration. Mornings and afternoons will focus on AI-empowered learning, with dedicated blocks for AI production and AI in life. Individual projects, mini lectures, and AI Adventure Period will take place in the afternoon. The course will conclude with a final premiere where students will showcase their AI-powered projects. This course is designed not just to teach AI tools, but to prepare students for a future where AI is integrated in education, work, and daily life. I look forward to seeing many of you this summer as we explore AI's role in education and beyond. Thank you.